I've done engineering electronics and telecommunication. I was working in a non-technical field. So I've worked there for more than 4 years, and I was a beginner who had no idea how this technology actually works. So I was like a know-nothing person before joining Crio. I was looking for a well-structured platform that focuses on teaching skills, making one better at these technologies. And I found these qualities at Crio from the first day of training session. I learned how to approach the problem by analyzing many situations, debugging the code, and building a project from scratch. I like to learn by doing concept because whatever you learn, you must apply it practically. And Cryo structured it really well. Before joining, even I was unable to solve the simple DSA problems. But after 1.5 months, I noticed that I'm getting better at reading the problem statements and approaching the problem. And I found that my coding skills are also improved. Building projects helped me to think in terms of logical ability and error handling, debugging the code, making the code modular, then handling the edge cases. Cryo's content has been designed with the learner's level in consideration, from beginner to working professionals, and with excellent learning materials and a good user interface that offers everything at one place. At Crio, you will get structured material, structured curriculum. They have a best team to solve the problems. If you're stuck somewhere, they will help you at every point.